use upper and lower sums to show that the integral from 1 to 4 of 1 over x dx is greater than 1. Okay, well, I guess I have to make an upper and lower sum, so I should draw that graph. 1 over x looks like that. And when x is 1, 1 over 1 is 1. And when x is 4, that should be a quarter there. That's a bad graph, isn't it? It's a quarter. Okay, well, I know that it's definitely more than whatever the lower sum is. So I could do one interval here and do that one there. So interval from 1 to 4, and that would be this rectangle here. So that'd be 3 wide, 1, 2, 3, times a quarter, which is 3/4. Okay, so the integral's got to be more than 3/4, but that doesn't show it's more than 1. It could be like 7/8 or something, so it could be less than 1. Okay, so what if I split it into a smaller number of intervals? Just going to write down what I know so far. It's definitely greater than 3/4. So that's not good enough. Okay, let's try again. So there's 1. And then at 2, it's a half. And then at 4, it's a quarter. So it's coming like this. Okay, so what if I did it on 2 intervals? Like I know this height is a quarter, and that's kind of nice. And this height is a half, and that's kind of nice. So lower sum intervals from 1 to 2 and from 2 to 4. Okay, so that lower sum, oh no, I don't need that word there. That lower sum would be equal to, this one's 1 wide and a half high, and this one's 2 wide and a quarter high. So that's a half plus a half, which is 1. Okay, cool. So it's definitely more than the lower sum. So therefore, the integral from 1 to 4 of 1 over x dx is greater than 1, since it's more than any lower sum. Great.